Tikus.
Rat. Seeing rodents, namely rats around the house, certainly sucks. To remove the animal from the house, many people use mousetrap as a trap. The mousetrap will be equipped with bait in the form of the mouse's favorite food. One type of food known as bait for mice is cheese.
Tupai.
Squirrel. The squirrel is a type of insect-eating animal, while the squirrel is a type of fauna that is included in the rodent category. Therefore, scientifically squirrels belong to the insectivora group and squirrels to the rodentia group, like mice.
Kelinci.
Rabbit. Rabbits are rodents. Rodents usually have two incisors that continue to grow in the upper and lower jaws. The two incisors they use to gnaw their food. In addition, the incisors are also used to bite enemies and objects around them.
Hamster.
Hamster. Hamster is a kind of rodent animal. There are various types in the world and almost in every country. Even though they are small, hamsters need a large cage. Hamster is included in the Chrysotiny subfamily. This subfamily is divided into about 19 species, which are classified into 6 or 7 genera.